Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace your Whirlpool refrigerator ice and water filter. Go ahead and open up the right hand door and you will find your filter up here at the top. Pull down this little cover and then you can pull your filter down. Give it a slight push in and then a quarter turn or maybe even a half turn counterclockwise, and it should release easily for you there. Make sure to pay special attention to what size filter you need. My refrigerator takes a size 4, so I went ahead and picked up some replacement filters. I'll go ahead and put a link to this product in the description below. But you can take one of your replacement filters, remove this little plastic tab at the top, and then you are going to insert it back into the correct area. Again, push it in, give it a quarter turn counterclockwise, snap it up in place, and replace the cover. You might have some water drip down from your old filter, so you can just wipe that away. But now your new filter is snug in place. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove that error message that's showing up on the front of your refrigerator. And to do that, you're going to click Options. And then after clicking Options, you're going to click Filter Reset. And then you're going to click to confirm, and once you click confirm, you'll see that red light disappear. It's recommended that you flush the new filter out. So what you're going to do is basically just fill up a large cup of the water, dump it into the sink, and repeat that process about 8 or 10 times until you see the water start to get more clear, and then you'll be good to go with drinking it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.